Hello guys, in today's episode we'll look at how to get rid of local changes. Now we can see here our local head is pointing to this commit as well as the remote branch is also pointing to this commit. Let's look at if there are any changes. So we have only one untracked file. So let me make a change. Let me get all the contents. I will remove a.txt. I will modify b.txt, and here are some changes. So this is modified. Control O to save the changes. Control X. So if we look at the git status, so our basically we have deleted a file, we have modified a file, and then there is untracked file. So if we look at the tree structure, we were on this commit, plus we have these changes on top of it. So let's get rid of these changes. Get reset hard hat. So this is the command which will remove all the local changes except the untracked one. So this is untracked, hence it is not removed, but all the other changes that we have made to our local code, local branch has been removed. Now we want to get rid of these new files, these untracked file as well. So it's really simple. We will issue a command git clean -n, so it will just try run what it will clean. So it will remove rt.txt. so the next command would be git clean -f. And if now we look at the status, so everything is clean, the branch is perfect in an original state as it was on the remote repository. So that's how you get rid of local changes. See you in the next lecture where we will talk about how to get rid of last commits or last couple of commits. See you. Thank you.